Grade 12 Antares, Mr. Jude Michael F. Batayola, with highest honor. A round of applause here.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. After so many restless nights, academic struggles, mental breakdowns, financial difficulties, and countless research revisions, I am very proud to say to all of you today that yes, we did it. We finally made it. To our school president, Dr. Leandro Ador, ADZON CPA, sir. To our vice president for academics, Sir Kenneth P. Claudio, MDM, sir. To our dean of education, Dr. Perperio M. Tripoli, sir. To our board of trustees. To Ma'am Annabel Dafilmoto, Child Education Supervisor 2, ma'am. To our program heads, to the BSCI faculty and staff, parents, friends, family, and of course, my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon to all. When I was in grade 8, if you had asked me about my biggest dream, I would have told you that it was to stand here today delivering the graduation speech to all of you. But if you had told me back then that this dream would come true, I wouldn't have believed it. Why? Because back then, math was my great enemy. My grades in math couldn't go higher than 82, and I felt that reaching the top of my class was too impossible. Fast forward to 4 years to this momentous day, and here I am, humbled and honored to stand before you as the top student of this graduating class. Now, you might be wondering how this came to be. Did I miraculously become a math genius? Well, the simple answer to that is no. Instead, what changed was my perspective on success. I realized that while academic excellence is important, it's not the only measure of achievement. It's about perseverance, resilience, and embracing our strengths and weaknesses alike. But most importantly, I realized that it isn't pure intellect that sustains a student's pursuit of academic excellence, but also about the appreciation, support, and encouragement from the environment and the people around them that inspire students to persevere and strive for success. These elements are what truly motivate us to reach our full potential and achieve our goals. As we celebrate this significant milestone today, on behalf of my fellow graduates, I would like to take this opportunity to express our deepest gratitude and heartfelt appreciation to all those who have supported, encouraged, guided, motivated, and helped us throughout this journey. First of all, to our Almighty God, thank you for giving us the strength we need and for providing the brightest light in our darkest days. Your words have indeed been a lamp to our feet and a light to our path. To our beloved family, thank you for providing us with endless support and for believing in us and in our dreams. Thank you for your infinite sacrifices, despite how tired you may already be. This diploma that we are holding is as much as yours as it is ours. Maong ma, pa, te, kol, lo, la, para ni sa inyo. To all the teachers here at Pacific South Bay College Incorporated, thank you very much for going above and beyond your duty as educators. Thank you for not just being our teachers, but for being our guidance counselors, mentors, parents, therapists, and friends. We are eternally grateful for your patience, wisdom, and guidance to our academic journey. To the administrators and non-teaching staff of PSEI, thank you for making our senior high school years smooth, organized, and enjoyable. Your hard work behind the scenes ensured that we had a conducive environment for learning and personal growth. We deeply appreciate your dedication. To our classmates, thank you for the camaraderie, friendship, and countless memories we have shared. Thank you for all the laughter and companionship. Thank you for the comforting assurances of, kaya ra lagi na, and mahuman ra lagi nato na. These statements have truly made each obstacle in our academic journeys surmountable and conquerable. To Antares, thank you so much for making me feel like a family and for believing in my abilities even in the short time we've been together. I am indeed truly grateful to have been your classmate. And lastly, to Pacific South Bay College Incorporated, thank you for cultivating a nurturing environment where growth and learning flourish. Your commitment to academic excellence and holistic development has equipped us with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complexities of the world beyond these walls. Your dedication to fostering an inclusive community has made our educational journey meaningful and memorable. We are grateful for the opportunities, experiences, and lifelong friendships we have gained here. I know, shortly after this day, all of us will embark on separate paths in our own lives. It is true that when one chapter ends, another begins. This chapter marks the beginning of our journey into the real world. We must now traverse the reality of life beyond high school. And yes, many of us already have plans for what comes next. Some might have already enrolled in colleges, while others may have decided not to pursue college due to various challenges. Regardless of your individual paths, I know that all of us here are experiencing a mixture of fear, doubt, and uncertainty of what lies ahead. And yes, I know that we are still very far from the finish line. But if there's one thing our time here at Pacific South Bay College Incorporated has taught us, it is that we have the strength and resilience to face whatever comes our way. We have the support of our families, the wisdom of our teachers, the camaraderie of our friends, and above all, we have ourselves to believe in. To my fellow graduates, may we all carry the burning flame of perseverance and determination. I would like to finish this speech with a very inspiring and beautiful saying in Bisaya that goes, "Layo patag padulunan, pero layo na tag naabtan." Pacific South Bay College Incorporated Class of 2023-2024, thank you and congratulations.